Hi guys, welcome back to Spotaria channel. So today in this video, I'll show you how to delete pins on Pinterest. If you created a pin by uploading an image from your computer or phone, you can delete any pin you've saved. Delete a pin only if you are sure you no longer want it to appear in your boards or sessions. We cannot restore deleted pins. But guys, before you continue this video, I hope you like, comment, and subscribe to support this channel, and don't forget to hit the notifications bell. So, without any further ado, let's get started. To delete your pins on Pinterest, first thing first, you have to open the Pinterest app on your device, and you have to log into your Pinterest account. And then in this page, you have to tap your profile picture in the bottom right of your screen. Then tap on a board. I have two boards, which the one of them I've been empty. And then I'm gonna choose this board. Then into the section, if that's where you created a pin, tap on a pin to open it. Tap the icon in the top right corner. After that, you have to tap edit pin here. In edit pin, you have to scroll it down until you find delete this pin at the bottom of the screen, and then tap on it. Tap delete to confirm, and it's done. Your pins is already deleted. And now both my boards are empty. Well, hopefully this video will help you guys. Leave your comments below. I'll see you soon on the next one, and good luck.